Hey guys, it's Mimi here and welcome to Geeklightful. Lately, you can find Pokemon toys at McDonald's and they looked so cute that I decided to buy all 8 of them and open them with you guys in this ASMR video. First, I'm going to open this Pikachu one, and with each of these toys, you get a special Pokemon card. So here's the adorable Pikachu figurine. Let's see what this toy can do. There's a button right here. So the button makes his ears move. So let's see what card we got with him. So here are the instructions. We actually got 2 cards and this blank one. So we have Litten, that's called Flamiau in French, and this is a little Diglett, which is called Taupiqueur in French. Since we got a Litten card, I decided to open Litten next. Here is the adorable little Litten, and he actually comes with this flame that he is supposed to throw with his mouth. You can also move his tail around like this. So this little Litten is actually one of the recent Pokemons, and I think he looks super adorable. Let's see what's the card that you get with him. So I got another Diglett card. So this is the card that I got with him. Next, I'm going to open the mischievous little mouth. So he looks super cute, and he also looks ready to help out Team Rocket with their mischievous plans. So apparently his tail moves and his arms also move up and down. So his tail can rotate all around, and his arms are also posable. So this one in French is called Bombidou. I must say that I don't know what it's called in English, but if you know it, please feel free to share it in the comment section. Next we have the adorable little Rowlet. So this Rowlet seems to have a little mechanism to make his wings flap. The sound that the toy makes when it's activated isn't very relaxing, so I'm not going to put it in the video, but I'm pretty sure you can find another YouTube video where they will show you what it does. Now let's see what the cards are. So we got this cute bird with a shiny card, and it's called Pikachu in French. And again, feel free to comment down below if you know the English name for this cute bird. Next is one of my favorite Pokemons, this cute little Eevee. She looks so sweet and fluffy. So apparently her tail and ears can move. Look at how cute this is. These Pokemon figurines are going to make such cute decorations around my house. Let's see the cards that come with Eevee. Another little Diglett. So these are all the ones that I've opened, and now it's time for the water Pokemons. So now I'm going to open this Psyduck figurine. So here he is with his pretty long beak. So apparently his tail is supposed to make his arm move. And here it is. So this is going to be one more cute Pokemon for my collection. Now let's see what card comes with him. So this one is called Kabaga. And it's really nice to see the background that is metallic. So again, feel free to tell me its English name in the comment section. Next is another new Pokemon called Popplio. So he looks super cute, and he also looks very determined. So this little Popplio can actually spit water if you put it in a water tank. So this is how the water would get out of his mouth. Now let's see what card comes with it. So this is a new one, and it's called Cosmug in French. I think it looks pretty cute. Last but not least is one of my favorite Pokemon, this super cute Squirtle. So again, this Squirtle can also squirt water. You only have to fill it up and then press on this button in his back. Here is the last card. I'm so happy I got a Popplio card. He looks so happy on here, and the background is also super gorgeous. So thank you so much for watching this ASMR video. I really hoped it helped you relax. Have a beautiful day and God bless you. Bye!